Today, I'm sharing my process for making business cards that really stand out and people want to hang on to. Let's go! Got these cutie little square business cards with a super simple, just my website on the back. And today we're going to make them a unique piece of art, each one. I find this process ridiculously fun. I've done it a few times now, so I know that I like to have a lot of paint on this first color. The first color is Periline Maroon by Daniel Schmidt. It's a watercolor. I find I like it best when it's dried, when it's highly pigmented. It goes a little bit more browny when it's not. The second color is the Core Quinacridone Violet. I also love it. I try to keep it highly pigmented as well. These first two colors, I don't have much rhyme or reason. Just kind of swipe them on as feels good. The next color is the Whole Bean Quinacridone Gold, also watercolor. All three have been watercolor. This color I find myself paying a little bit more attention to placement. If some of the swipes have gone far one way, I'm trying to balance them out a bit. I really love when the quinacridone gold gets mixed in with the Periline Maroon, and it makes this really cool reddy orange. I just love it. And even though I love that mixture a lot, I'm not really paying attention to whether I'm making it happen. It just kind of does. We've got 45 cards here. So if you ever see me in the street and you want an original piece of artwork by me, ask me for a card. This fourth color is the Whole Bean Watercolor Shell Pink. I find with this color I have to clean off my brush a lot more. Otherwise the pink doesn't really look very pink. Just gets mushed in with all the other colors. This is the pièce de résistance. Iridescent gold fine, the golden high flow. I love that it adds some cool texture and makes it very noticeable that these cards are hand painted because it's got some lift. When the bubbles come, they're fun too. They kind of pop and make it fun. This paint has a real mind of its own, so if you're precise, you might might want to choose something else. Once they're dry, I like to go in and sign them just so it gives it an extra added little personal touch. And since my initials are WW, kind of just draw them in a little squiggle. There you have it. 45 hand-painted business cards. Woo. So fun. I just love doing this so much. We'll see you tomorrow.